Welkom julle. Vertel 'n bietjie vir my, wie is jy en wat gaan jy vandag doen by die show?
Ek is Lerina en ek gaan vandag radioactive sing.
Lekker.
Ek is Dionné Welding en vandag gaan ek Jar Hart van Christina Perry.
Ons konsert is hierdie jaar 'n concert for a cause. Wat kan ons doen om vir ander mense liefde te wys?
Ek dink jy kan nie daar wees vir 'n persoon. As hulle deur 'n moeilike tyd gaan, dan moet jy net soos daar wees vir hulle, net elke stap, every step of the way, so met hulle deur die journey gaan maak so moeilik dit is nie.
Lerina.
Weet baie mense soos steek hulle hanteer weg en ek dink net jy moet soos probeer om hulle oop te maak. Ek dink soos maak nie saak hoe moeilik dit is nie. Ons moet almal dit verstaan dat al like dit nie so nie, al voel dit nie so dat ons almal probeer om ons self te help en maak nie saak hoe moeilik dit raak nie. Alles gaan beter word en alles word gedoen vir hulle lewe. Cool. Ek dink hulle moet kyk en net aangaan en probeer om die beste hulle te wees en jy weet happiness.
Nooit bedoel te gaan nie. Dis 'n goeie boodskap. Enige iets vir Ovie-Vibz self?
Dankie dat julle my geleer het hoe om ordentlik te sing vanaf ek 5 was. Dit is altyd baie lekker om hier so te kom en dit maak my altyd gelukkig om hier so te wees en is soos donderdag is die beste dag om sad te wees want ek kom hier so en dan word ek net happy.
Ja. Dis awesome. I love it. Dankie julle twee.
No, I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is your craft. And don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I love the most. I learned to live half a life, and now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? I hear you're asking all around if I am anywhere to be found. But I have grown too strong to ever fall back in your arms. I learned to live half a life, and now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back for me. Don't come back at all. And who do you think you are? Long to hide. Remember how to put back the lights in my eyes. I wished I had missed the first time that we kissed, 'cause you've gone broke your promises, and now you're back. You don't get to get me back. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the inside your soul. So don't come back for me, don't come back at all. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts, tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. Don't come back